Hey, welcome to this step-by-step guide where I'll show you exactly how to buy tokens on the Solana blockchain. Today, we'll focus only on safe projects, tokens with a secured liquidity pool, which means no risk of rug pulls. Using ARABI as an example, I'll guide you through buying a token on Raydium and DexScreener, how to check if it's safe, and how to avoid scams in the crypto world. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future updates on crypto opportunities. Join our community on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in the description below. Let's get started. Alright, let's start by setting up your Phantom wallet, the easiest and safest way to store and trade Solana-based tokens. First, open your browser and go to phantom.com. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid scams. Click on Download and choose the version for your browser. Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. Once it's installed, you'll see the Phantom icon appear in your browser extensions. Click on it to start setting up your wallet. Now, create a secure password. This will be used to unlock your wallet every time you open it. Next, you'll receive a secret recovery phrase. Do not share this with anyone. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you ever lose access. Write it down and store it somewhere safe. Once you've confirmed your secret phrase, your wallet is ready to use. Now let's move on to funding your wallet with Solana. Now that we've set up the Phantom wallet, the next step is to add funds so we can start trading. Open the Phantom extension in your browser. If you don't see it, check your browser's extensions list. Enter your password and select your wallet. Now, click on Buy, then select Solana. This is the main currency used for transactions on the Solana blockchain. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then choose a payment provider. The best options are usually Stripe or MoonPay for quick and secure transactions. Complete the payment process on the provider's website. Depending on the method you choose, the funds should appear in your wallet within 15 minutes. Once your SOL has arrived, you're ready to swap for tokens and start trading. If you already have another crypto wallet that you'd like to use, don't worry. You'll have the option to connect it later when linking your wallet to the trading platform. Alternatively, you can transfer funds from your existing wallet to Phantom. To do this, open the Phantom extension, enter your password, and select your wallet. Click on Receive, then choose Solana. You will now see a QR code and a wallet address. Use either of these to send Solana from your existing wallet to your Phantom wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in Phantom and you'll be ready to trade. Now that we have funds, it's time to buy our token. Let's move on to the next step. Now, let's head over to Raydium.io, the trading platform where we'll buy our first ARABI tokens. You'll find the direct link to our token in the video description. Once you're on the site, click the Connect button in the top right corner and select Phantom Wallet. Confirm the connection when prompted. If you're using a different wallet, no problem. Simply click Connect, then choose Wallet Connect, which allows you to link various other wallets. Now it's time to select our token. You can either search for ARABI in the list or enter the token's contract address manually. Address token is in the video description. Next, choose the amount of Solana you want to swap for ARABI. Double-check the amount and confirm the transaction. Hold this token for at least 1 month and its value could increase 10 times. To track its price and market trends, you can also check out the live chart on DexScreener. The link to the token is in the video description. That's it. You've successfully bought ARABI, now let's wait for the gains. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you successfully buy your first ARABI tokens and understand the process step by step. To stay updated on the latest crypto opportunities and community discussions, make sure to join our groups, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Join our Telegram group for real-time updates and discussions. Follow us on Twitter for the latest news and insights. Like our Facebook page and engage with our growing community. We're building something big together, and the more we grow, the stronger we become. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.